Hey everyone, my name is Shah. Welcome to my channel. I just want to say thank you for everyone who's been following me. And I know it's been a crazy time in the cryptocurrency market. I'm just here to give you my 2 cents, to give you some reassurance and let you know why we're investing in crypto today. Why are we in the market? And what's going on with Bitcoin? Have we reached the bottom? And are we going into a super cycle summer bull run? Those questions will be answered in this video today. This is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial investor. I've been invested in crypto since 2015, and I've been through a lot of ups and downs. But one thing I've never done is sell at the bottom. I haven't sold all the way at the top either, but I sure as hell didn't sell at the bottom. I would never do that. I will never do that unless an opportunity is there for the taking. But when I buy Bitcoin, when I buy Ethereum, I hodl. I hodl and I don't let go. I don't let the strong hands make my hands weak. I do not think about the short term. I think about the long term. I'm 27 years old. I have 2 twin boys. I have every reason in the world to try to realize gains, to make generational wealth. That's why you guys are watching this video, because you want to make generational wealth. Guys, if you like the $100 hand-woven Persian rug behind me, let me know. My aunt has been bringing these and super cool. Just posted one on my wall. But if you guys want something like that, hit me up and I will see what we can do. But so far, so cool. Adds to the ambiance. But here we're going to be talking about how Miami, El Salvador has accepted Bitcoin as legal tender. That's amazing. So if you're not excited, smash that like button so you start to get excited and more people who are interested on this type of information get notified. YouTube gatekeeps a lot of this information. So I recommend that you smash that like button and click that bell button so you receive time-sensitive information. But cryptocurrency from A to Z has transformed. We've gone from Bitcoin digital gold to Ethereum, the silver, the oil, where dApps are built on top of, to Cardano, to Binance, to Polkadot, to Solana, to Elrond, to Avalanche, to Phantom, to Harmony, all first layer protocols that aim to become the king of DeFi. How does cryptocurrency markets work? Well, one, it is based off human emotion. When you look at the market, it's exactly how humans feel, plus all the other variables. But cryptocurrency is 24 hours a day. People can buy at any time. So people are never not looking at their crypto. It's addicting. And if you have problems not looking at your crypto or staying away from it, smash that like button, because me too. I feel like 24/7, I'm looking at the market. And I just want to say, it's okay if you take a step away. It's okay to breathe. It's a lot of volatility. And in times like this, everyone around you is telling you to sell. You're starting to doubt yourself. You're starting to think, why am I in crypto? Should I sell or should I hold? And to those of you trying to decide, I ask you this: what is your goal? And after this, I ask you, what are you investing in? Answer these 2 questions to yourself, and then you will know what projects you want to go into and why. If you answer these questions, you'll know about digital land, you'll know about NFTs, you'll know about inflation, you'll know about the mass printing of fiat, you'll know about regulation, privacy coins, meme coins. It all comes down to doing your own due diligence. So if you guys have made exponential gains this year or in cryptocurrency ever, smash that like button, because that is why we're here, to make generational wealth. Nobody wants to work 9 to 5 for the rest of their life, but people do want to be a part of the future. And if you're early now, it's just the tip of the iceberg. So guys, for those of you that were getting a little worried, or for those of you deciding if you should sell or hold, just know people are shorting and longing the market right now. But I promise you, I'm telling you, the diamond hands are not letting go of their Bitcoin or their Ethereum. We might see Bitcoin dominance fluctuate. We might see Ethereum dominance fluctuate, but you also have to understand there's double the projects there were just 2 months ago. We're talking about, we had 4,000 to 5,000 projects. Now we have 8,000 plus projects. Cryptocurrency is booming. First layer protocols are just getting started, and you haven't seen anything yet. You're just catching up with the crypto ecosystem. Don't worry. NFTs is a part of that ecosystem, but it's almost decoupled itself because there's so much cash flow in that space. Doge, the original Doge picture sells for $4 million. People's art sold for $69 million. And yes, even my industry, the music industry, the Persian legend Ebi released his first NFT. So from music to sports to digital land to DeFi, all industries are getting involved, but specifically the large institutions, from Michael Saylor to Apple to Tesla to Google, and the list goes on and on. They can be skeptical, they can talk shit, but in the end, it is inevitable, because the destiny of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology is clear. It is the evolution and the revolution of money as we know it. Printing fiat like this will not work for much longer. That being said, if you like my hand-woven $100 Persian rug, smash that like button. And if you'd like one like that, put it in the comments below, and I'll see if we can get more of these. All right. But as always, guys, thank you for your time. Nothing's more valuable than your time except your money. So I'll see you next time with some more gems.